Hey guys, today I have 11 survival gear that you must have before heading into the wilderness. BugLit Micro Flashlight, a must-have survival gear due to its deceptive yet powerful features. This compact task light may look cute, but it packs a punch with its versatile gear tie legs that can be bent and wrapped to secure the light in any desired position. Encased in a durable polycarbonate plastic housing, the BugLit offers 4 functions and emits a bright white LED light that can illuminate up to 50 feet ahead, providing essential visibility in survival situations. Its fully molded legs allow for various configurations, making it easy to sit, stand, or shine the flashlight wherever needed. With its lightweight and convenient S-binder clip, the BugLit can be attached to zippers or keys for quick and easy access, making it an indispensable tool in any survival scenario. This TACAMO H2 rechargeable Tesla arc lighter combines modern technology with essential features. With its dual-head flameless Tesla torch, this waterproof lighter instantly creates 2000-degree Tesla arc flame, perfect for lighting campfires, fireworks, or sealing paracord in survival situations. It also incorporates a bright 3-mode emergency flashlight for reliable illumination, ensuring you never find yourself without light when you need it most. Designed with safety in mind, it includes a protective cap and lock, auto shutoff, and protection circuits to prevent damage. Its portable, lightweight, and windproof design combined with its high-visibility orange color and Ranger bead lanyard make it an indispensable tool for daily indoor and outdoor use, capable of handling various survival tasks such as fire lighting, sterilization, and more. The LIFESAVER WAYFARER empowers adventurers to go further while ensuring access to clean and safe drinking water. Compact and robust, this pocket-sized water purification system is capable of making microbiologically contaminated water safe to drink, purifying up to 5,000 liters of water. With its replaceable ultrafiltration cartridge, it effectively removes bacteria, viruses, and cysts, ensuring water safety. This replaceable activated carbon disc further reduces chemicals and heavy metals, enhancing taste and odor. Weighing just 323 grams, it's lightweight and includes a scavenger in-house for drawing water directly from the source and an outhose for filling containers. The fail-safe technology prevents water from passing through when the filter membranes are blocked, keeping users safe. The Off-Grid Tools Pro Survival Axe Elite is the ultimate multi-tool designed to handle any situation you might encounter. It boasts an all-steel full tang and axe head, along with a durable yet lightweight glass-filled nylon handle. The hatchet blade is resharpenable and perfect for chopping, clearing debris, or demolition, while the hammerhead and claw are ideal for pounding intense stakes or repairing equipment. Additionally, the gas valve shutoff wrench with a built-in bottle opener adds extra utility. Compact at only 11 inches long and weighing just over 1.5 pounds, this survival axe can deliver significant impact while remaining portable enough to fit in a glove box or bug-out bag. With its versatile functionality and sturdy construction, this tool is for every survivalist or adventurer. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or facing emergency situations, the MyMedic RECON First Aid Kit is your reliable companion, ready to deliver life-saving care. This re-engineered kit combines functionality with over 250 hand-picked, high-quality first aid and trauma supplies, meeting the standards of first aid responders and medical professionals. Built to military standards, the durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. The upgraded features include back padding for comfort, stowable shoulder straps with seatbelt-style webbing for versatile storage options, quick-access front pockets for easy retrieval of trauma and everyday use items, and a fully modular organization system with interior mesh pockets for efficient organization. With HSA FSA approval, this kit offers elevated first aid capabilities for survival scenarios. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness or preparing for any survival situation, the VSSL First Aid Mini is a reliable and compact companion that guarantees your essential medical needs are covered. Weighing less than a pound and measuring about 6 inches tall, it can be conveniently stored or carried anywhere you go. This compact kit contains over 35 first aid supplies, including disposable thermometers, antiseptic wipes, bandages, and more, all neatly organized in durable, reusable aluminum tins. Made with military-grade aluminum, the First Aid Mini is waterproof, shatterproof, and airtight, ensuring the safety and readiness of your medical supplies. With labeled contents and easily refillable tins, staying prepared for emergency is intuitive and hassle-free. The Hogue SAUER EX-F03 is a next-level survival gear essential made to deliver exceptional performance in challenging situations. This fixed blade knife features a 2.25-inch hawkbill blade with a flat dark earth PVD finish, providing durability and style. The solid black G10 scales with mini piranha texture offer a secure grip, ensuring precise handling. It comes with a quick deploying nylon belt sheath with a rotating belt clip for convenient access, as well as a bolter-on knife neck sheath with paracord for additional carrying options. The 154 cm stainless steel blade is cryogenically heat-treated, resulting in a hardness of 57 to 59 HRC. The FDE PVD finish adds corrosion resistance, while the hollow flat grind and hand-honed edge ensure optimal cutting performance. Next is the ZUNE LOTOO Smilodon Camper Shovel. It's a versatile and durable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and campers. This shovel features a compact and collapsible design, making it easy to carry and store. It is made of high-quality carbon steel, providing strength and durability for various tasks. The Smilodon Camper Shovel offers multiple functions, including a shovel blade for digging, a saw blade for cutting branches, a pickaxe for breaking up hard ground, and a bottle opener for added convenience. The adjustable handle allows for comfortable and efficient use, and the included carrying pouch ensures easy transportation, whether you need to dig trenches, clear obstacles, or perform other outdoor tasks. This shovel is a reliable and practical tool to have in your camping gear arsenal. Holtzman Survival Pen is a must-have survival tool that combines the practicality of a writing instrument with essential survival features. Constructed with durability in mind, this compact pen boasts a tungsten steel tip for self-defense and glass breaking, ensuring preparedness in emergency situations. The built-in LED flashlight provides reliable illumination when needed, while the included whistle serves as a crucial signaling tool for attracting help. With its versatile functionality and compact design, Holtzman Survival Pen is a reliable companion for survival scenarios, ensuring you have the necessary tools at your fingertips to navigate through challenging situations and increase your chances of survival. This is the Midland ER310, a versatile and reliable emergency weather radio designed to keep you informed and prepared during critical situations. This compact and portable device features multiple functions essential for survival. It has a built-in NOAA weather radio with alert capabilities, providing real-time weather updates and alerts to keep you informed about severe weather conditions. The ER310 also features a powerful 2600 mAh rechargeable battery that can be charged via multiple methods, including solar power, hand crank, or USB. This ensures that you always have a source of power for the radio, as well as the ability to charge other devices in emergencies. Additionally, the device is equipped with an ultra-bright LED flashlight and an SOS beacon for signaling help. The SSG Molle Coat is the ultimate survival gear that excels in durability and functionality. Its tough exterior, made from heavy-duty waxed cotton canvas, provides protection against harsh elements while remaining resistant to scratches and tears. Designed for versatility, the coat features a modular system with woven straps, allowing for secure attachment of gear components without compromising mobility. With its high-quality construction, treated material, and reliable zippers, it keeps you warm and dry in challenging conditions, whether you're hiking through the wilderness, camping in the rain, or embarking on extended hunting trips. This coat is the dependable companion that ensures your gear stays intact and easily accessible, empowering you to tackle any survival situation with confidence. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest gear. If you want to stay updated on the newest tech releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.